So I think I'm gonna take out the stuff in the boxes first. Let me bring up my lights. It's so nice and cloudy. I wish I had made a cup of tea or something. Lima! I don't drink me tea, so I'm collecting now. So let's start with Superbalist. Tea has been made, guys. It smells really good, but I'm just worried that there's licorice in this, and I'm not crazy about licorice, so let's see. We start with Superbalist. This was the first thing I ordered online. Knife ready. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm just gonna. One day, I was so excited opening a package, and I ran through the knife through my shoe. So I have learned to be very careful. And guys, none of the stuff I'm going to unbox today is sponsored. I bought everything myself. So I just want this to focus on me. I bought everything myself, so none of this thing is sponsored. I'm basically advertising this before for free. Don't remember ordering polo though. I need to check my thing, but I think I ordered Havainas. I did choose polo. I don't know why I chose polo. Look guys, here's the evidence even if I had to contact them. Look, I chose polo ones. Red ones no high. Hey dear God. Oh. Okay, so looks like I did pick the red polos. They're not so bad. I'm not mad at all. But it's summer and I wanted some new flip-flops, so these will do. They feel nice and firm. How much were they? They were 199 rand. So nice. I like them. The highlight of this box for me were these pants. I've been wanting cargo pants. Oh, but they look satin in the picture. I hope they're gonna fit. I'm gonna do a whole try-on whole thing. So I'm gonna try them on then. But this is what they look like. It's just that I think these are gonna be small. These are seriously gonna be small. I've been wanting cargo pants, you know, I've been wanting to have pockets and stuff, but vacuum cleaner. I hope these are gonna fit. And these are from Misguided actually. So hopefully, and I took a big size. Why do they look small? But sometimes things look small and then it fits you. So you never know until I try it. Let's get to Truworths. I just have to point out that Truworths sizing is very tricky, okay? So if you're gonna go buy plus size clothing there, please try it out because I just find like it will say size 42 and it doesn't fit. So I really like this. It's actually a set. I actually saw it as soon as they launched it and I loved it and I really wanted it. So it's a set like this. I am doing a try on haul, guys, so you just gotta wait and see that one. For now, you're just seeing the stuff in the bags. You see that? And then I also saw that skirt. So it's so cute together, like seriously. So this is the skirt and that's the top. So I can't wait to wear this. And then something else I took was this top. I just really like the color and I think it will look really good on me. I'm just a little worried that it's like a high neck type of top because with my big boobs it's gonna be kind of problematic, but look at it against my skin, guys. Like it looks very nice. So this is what it looks like, and this was how much? This was 440, and then this set altogether was, yeah, because it's 500 for the top, 490 something for the bottom, so together it was about 1,000 rand. And I just picked up something random for my hair because I love pony, guys. I don't know if you can see, guys, but I love me some ponies. Next, H&M. So how do I say this? How much did I spend? Okay. So I got this skirt, this zebra skirt, which I really like. And I'm thinking that it's going to be small, but you know what? Miracles do happen. I just might fit in this, okay? And guys, guess what size it is? Guess what? Let me show you. Because I was shook. I was shocked, okay? In H&M, I found this size. Can you guys believe it? Look at that. Yep. I found the whole size 18 in H&M. So I took it, I grabbed it, I didn't even blink. I took it, so I can't wait to wear it like a black top like the one I'm wearing today. You know, look at that. So just style it up nicely. I'm skeptical about this, but I loved it, so I took it. It's like a knitted skirt. You know, it's very cute. But it's a knitted skirt. It's navy blue. And it's a mini skirt and it's flared. I like flared skirt because they kind of like help me hide my fupa. So a flared skirt is really a good idea for me. So I was thinking wearing this with like a formal shirt, some stockings and some nice heels, you know. So we'll see what I do with it for the try on haul, okay? We'll see. And then next, I just took something nude because these really, they're not really there in my wardrobe. Like little nude things like this. I don't know if this is gonna show you the color, but yeah, that's what it looks like, a blush pink. And this is what it looks like. Ah, my arms are so from the gym, guys. Like I kept lifting weights, like you have no idea. My trainer is Savage Woolworth. I also went to Woolworth. I picked up something. Please, guys, I just want to say this before I continue. This shopping is maybe over a month. Since my birthday month started, I have been shopping and accumulating and just throwing them here. So this shopping is not like I went to the shops yesterday and I bought all these things. Over a month. Okay? So Woolworth. Oh, this is where they are. I've been looking for these. Woolworth had a sale. They had like 40% off stuff, I think, during Black Friday. But anyways, it's Woolworth. So I got myself some bedroom slippers because I don't have any that are like this for the house. You know, like especially since it's summer, I don't want to be wearing closed shoes or socks in the house. And then I got this neon shirt, which I love. I love, yeah. See, they had 30% off. I love this shirt. It's so beautiful. I took a size 20. I'm a size 18, but I take bigger shirts because I don't like it when the buttons like look funny here. So I prefer to take bigger sizes, and I can't wait to wear this. I'm thinking white pants, white skirt, denim, mix it up with a little bit of green, maybe a little bit of orange there. You never know. You never know. Yeah. And then I took this, again, another blush like top. This would be nice for work or official events or things like that. Also as well, bigger for me. And then, yeah, much bigger. But I hope I'm not going to swim in it. I like the fabric of it. It's like a chiffon. And also it was 30% less for us. More from Woolworths. I did get more stuff. The Santan one didn't have this shirt, so I had to go to another branch to find this. So it's basically the same shirt I showed you before, but in just this blue. Remember that navy blue skirt I showed you? I was actually looking for this for that skirt. So yeah, it looks like I have some stuff from Zara, but not a bag. Oh wait, let me do all of Zara together because it looks like I have a big bag of Zara. Zara! Okay, let's see what's in here. I didn't want to need like an unboxing table, okay? Okay, why am I laughing like that though? So I have been wanting these forever. Like, especially when I saw the Chanel ones, the Gucci ones and all those, I was like, I really need a pair of these espadrilles. Is that how you say it? Espadrilles? Espadrilles? Yeah, whatever. These were on the Black Friday sale though. I don't think I got them for this full price. It wasn't full price. So I got these on the Black Friday sale, and guys, I'm so happy and excited. I'm in love with them. Also picked up other ones because I'm so crazy about this. I picked up another pair. How do I make it make sense? Okay, like this. So I picked up another pair. I'm a size 40. No, I am giving it away. So another pair. And yeah. Let's see. Yeah, size 40. This was also half price because I know I didn't get it for this much. Also Black Friday. And it's true that a lot of my stuff I bought was on the sale stuff because everybody is having sales. But the rest of this bag that I'm going to unpack now, it was actually full price. Like these pants. I love these pants. Even though I'm worried that my fupa is going to do things in this, but I'm thinking that maybe I could wear it like a long shirt. You know, as fat girls, we're so hopeful because we go to the shops and nothing fits us and we're like, oh, I'll make a plan. I'll just make a plan. And this was my I'll make a plan purchase. I just love the orange. I love the orange, guys, and I got this for 500 bucks from Zara, and it's a large. It looks like they didn't make any extra larges in it, so they only had a large. This dress I'm looking forward to wearing. I've seen a few people actually wearing it, but I'm looking forward to wearing it. Is this one. I love this polka dot dress. It's very beautiful. It's very nice and long. Zara clothes I have to try actually. I'm glad that I have 30 days to return because their clothes their sizes are, you know. So in this one they made a double XL. So there was a double XL made. So this is the double XL. So hopefully it fits me. But if my boobs get in it, then there's hope, you know, if my boobs get there. Another Black Friday item were these slippers. Actually, I really like them for the weather. It's summer. Actually, today it's cold, but you know, it's summer. These would look very nice. I got a headband. I've been wanting an Alice band for a while, so I got one of those. And it's got like shiny thingies. And I felt like it was huge actually, so I can't wait to see what it looks like on my head. I had to follow the trend. I did follow the trend because I didn't have them in my wardrobe. Okay, it's these chunky sneakers, which my school of life teacher is not going to approve of, but I just love them for comfort. I wear jeans, I wear sneakers, so I love to be comfortable. I love to wear something very comfortable, and these would do for me. And they're just very beautiful. I could dress them up, dress them down. Like seriously, I just love them. Cotton On. I went to Cotton On and I picked up quite a few things. They had a nice sale. I like these blue socks. They're very nice and fluffy like a rabbit, and they'll be very nice in winter. I also picked up this top. It's a white top, just a basic turtleneck looking top. And can you imagine, this one was 100 rand from 200 rand. So they had a nice sale. And then I picked up some gym pants. I really needed new ones. These are extra large. They could stretch, so I was like stretching them to see how far my bums can go in there. But I like them because they're black. And then I got myself some joggers. This was actually from the men's section, and they're gray. And I saw there was a jacket, so I'm gonna go back and find it. I just love wearing these. Comfortable. More from Cotton On. See, I got a traveling little bag. You know when you travel, your chargers, your earphones, no. I just wanted somewhere where I just shove them all. And this is nice and thick to like protect my stuff because most of my earphones are wireless. So this would be nice. And I just like how it looks. I think it looks pretty cool. More travel stuff. This is for my shoes, to put shoes in. I couldn't find any more of this, so I don't know if they were out. But these come in handy when you're traveling. Another travel item is my fanny pack. You know, I don't want to have a handbag when I'm like walking around the city, a new city or whatever. I want to have this so that I can just put my passport, my phone, my wallet, everything in there, and just put it around my waist and look super cool for cool kid. Michael Kors. I saw these flat shoes that I really liked. Michael Kors also had a sale, guys, if you didn't know. They had a Black Friday sale, and I just really liked them. They look really nice, especially the way that I'm dressed today. It looked good. And there we go. And the nice leather shoes. And they're just very simple. I like that they're simple, flat, whatever. I just wasn't looking for anything dramatic. I have a lot of dramatic shoes from Michael Kors, and I haven't worn them, so I wanted just something flat, you know. And these were on sale from I think 2.8 to, let's see how much I got them for. 2.8 to 1,447. Yeah, 1,447. So that was almost 50% off. That was a good deal. You know, if you scout properly and you save for the sales, you find good stuff. So guys, this was everything for my fashion pieces and, you know, things I'm gonna wear. So now I'm gonna unbox the beauty stuff, but you're gonna have to watch it on my other page, Curve Cut, because this is gonna go onto my IGTV for Curve Cut Lifestyle or Curve Cut Style. So you have to go to Curve Cut to watch the rest of my unboxing for my beauty stuff, okay? So see you in the next video. I mean, the next video will be the try on haul because I have to try on all these clothes for you guys to see. So see you in the next one. Bye guys.